Hi viewers, today we are going to see how to make a 10 seconds progress bar. So let's see how it really looks like. I'm pressing the F5 button. The progress bar goes until 10 seconds. Then after that, it completes with the red bar. So this is what we are really going to do in PowerPoint. So let's start with, I'm deleting the existing one. What I need to do is I need to get a character. So I'm going to get the character from the character map. So from the command run, you can type char map and you can go to the Webdings font here. So Webdings, and here you can get a box character here. Just copy this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm getting 10 characters because the progress bar will happen for 10 seconds. So I'm just going to copy this, closing it, and here I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm increasing the font size to somewhat 30 or something like that. Maybe 30. It's not enough, you can even set 50 or something like that. So for the sake of tutorial, I'm increasing the size, but you don't need to keep this size. So the main thing is that actually you need to decrease the gap between letters. So you can go here in the home tab, and here the character spacing you need to set very tight. So the small gaps will be gone. Okay. Okay guys, now we need to set the options here. So here in the options, the effect options, you need to set the delay to be 100%. It is already set here. I'm just setting it again 100%, and the timing should be 1 second. So when you're pressing OK, it will animate each and every character to 1 second. So this is how it looks, the animation. So you can see the animation. I'm just pressing the click button and I can just looking at the progress bar. As we have designed it, we know where it ends, but as a user, he or she may not know when the animation ends. So what we can do is we can draw a wrapper for the whole box. So I'm going to draw a wrapper here. And then I'm going to give no fill. I'm going to make the outline better or more thickness. I'm adding the thickness. Okay, I'm just trying to zoom it and see, just fixing some margins between the boxes and the characters. Okay, here again, let's run it again. Now we can see the user knows the box ends here. So he or she can think that okay, here the animation going to end here, we have to do something. So maybe if you are running a quiz program or anything like that, this will be very useful. Okay, now we need to add the after the 10 seconds we need to display the red box. So what we can do is we can draw a red box around it, or maybe what we can do is we need to copy this one, the overall one. Maybe I need to Control D. So pressing the Control D, I'm setting the character to red. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it fade. So now the thing is that it has to fade immediately right after the previous one. It means that after the animation ends, it has to appear. So what we need to do is we need to position it just above the existing text box. Okay, that's nice. Now let's run. Pressing the F5, the animation runs. So after the 10 seconds, what will happen is we'll say that the progress bar ends. So it could be something like you're saying that the timer ends here and you have to answer it. If you have not answered something like that, blah blah blah. So you can just do anything with this one. So it's a 10 seconds timer. However, it can be done with 5 seconds or 2 seconds or 20 seconds by adjusting the animation values. Okay, now let's say if you want to make the animation different one, so you can do it still. You just need to select it, select the characters, and maybe you can do something like fly in or anything like that, or float in, or even do some kind of split or anything like that. So you can see here, say for example, uh, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the animation not all at once but by the letter. So what will really happens is actually I have to say again the same 1 second, and here I have to give the 100% of the delay. So what will happen is 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. So this is what really happens. But basically the animation runs for 10 seconds, that's for sure. Actually it will not change, but if it changes you need to adjust that depending on the animation you use. For example, if you are using the other animation, something like swivel or anything like that, even if you are bored with the animation, if you are not happy with the animation, you just want to display it, you can even click on the appear animation. So just click on the appear animation and you can set the by letter. So what I'm doing is I'm just giving the 1 second's delay between the letters. So this will also make the progress bar a 1 second. I mean each character will appear, will animate for 1 second. All the characters will appear in 10 seconds. So clicking on it, okay, here you can see that actually we cannot see the bar here, but however what you can do is you can play from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here actually, so this is the way you can make it very simple. You don't need to make any kind of gimmicks or anything like that. It's a very kind of simple animation that can do that too, that can do the job too. So okay guys, this is the way you can create a progress bar. Um, uh, Please subscribe my channel. I'm just starting, so if you could help me subscribing the channel, it can increase my viewers and obviously I can monetize my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.